Hey there everyone, Dalton from CycleMax once again. We have a 2012 Can-Am Spyder SM5 with us today. Very clean, low miles, about 1,600 miles on this thing. Very rare to find here. We barely bring them in, but when we do, they normally go by pretty quick. The Spyder RSS package may offer a little more than the standard RS features. Comes with everything standard, plus the black 6 double-spoke front wheels, Fox Racing shocks podium front suspension, gas-charged anodized aluminum body with preloaded adjustments, two-tone coloration, carbon black aluminum parts, painted A-arms and front spoiler, seat with contrast stitching, and the RSS graphics. This thing is just gorgeous. It does turn heads like you wouldn't believe. Just an awesome machine, and the aftermarket pipes sound great on it. If you're interested in this bike, give us a call at 252-291-2121 or send us an email at sales@cyclemax.biz. We hope to see you soon.